The inventory adjustment transaction is used to enter the stock quantity of a particular item in a stock point. It's primarily used where the unit of measure of the item is either weight or length. For instance, if we are adjusting the weight of an item from 112.7 kilos to 111.9, it is easier to use the stock adjustment transaction rather than to try and work out whether we are doing a write-on or write-off, and if so, how many we're writing on or off. In order to access the transaction, we click on the inventory icon and then the inventory adjustment. We can use the inventory adjustment to adjust the stock of a particular handling unit if necessary by entering it in the reference ID. In this case, the handling unit currently has 10 in it. If we have actually counted it and instead of 10 there are actually 12, we can just make the adjustment in this way. Otherwise, we can make a stock adjustment at the individual item level, scanning in the location if the item is location controlled, and adjusting the quantity either up or down. If we actually count them to be 3,113, then this will in effect do a write-on for a quantity of 13. Similarly, if we want to reduce the amount, if there are less than we expected, then rather than 3113, there might be 3091. As I say, this transaction is primarily used where the unit of measure is either weight or length. If the item is lot controlled, as well as entering the location, we need to specify the appropriate lot and in this case the inventory date that we're adjusting, and in this case I'm going to adjust it back down to 65. If the item is serial number controlled, then what we need to do here is to specify either a single serial that we've located, or we can specify location, and it will tell us we have 4 serials currently there, and I'm actually saying, well, I can only see 3 there. And what I need to do is I need to account for the one that is no longer there, the one that is not there. So this will adjust the serial numbers in that particular location from 4 to 3.